and our check-in experience was very good in Treebo. The check-in was fast. I just got my luggage down there. One of the person from the staff will help me. इसको निकाल लेता हूँ राइड ऑन एयर, बिकॉज जो भी है यही है, इसको निकाल लेना सही रहेगा ये आइटम। इसको जिप बंद कर तो चलेगा, इसको लेते हैं और चलते हैं। दिस गाय ड्राइड अप। Excuse me, which side is the room? I think I missed them.
This way, this floor.
Okay.
To the second floor. This is your room.
Okay. Okay, got it.
CF.
There's a stair or lift?
Yes, second floor.
Okay, good. Thanks. There's no lift, लेकिन ठीक है। Second floor ये है। First floor। हाँ, एक लाइन नीचे। What is the room number? CF2. CF2. Thanks. Oh.
What have you?
ये
भाई इतना अच्छा रूम भाई, मैं बोल रहा हूँ if it is peak season, maybe IBW is going on, this room will not cost less than at least 5K. Yeah, but easily.
I think more than that.
Easily, I'm saying easily 5K.
ये इसका दिसंबर में रेट देखो तब समझेगा। तो रूम टूर मारते हैं। फुल किचन है।
Everything out here, man.
So when we enter from this door, we have this kitchen, oven, washing machine. Seriously?
Yeah. Aquasher.
मिनी फ्रिज नहीं है, पूरा है।
पूरा Aquasher.
वाटर
Just in
प्यूरिफायर है, कॉफी मेकर है।
case.
Complimentary. So this is the dining area, and this is the living room. And check this out. This is for us, na?
Yes, private terrace.
Oh. Mazak. I think Todu is missing something. So we have living room out here. I think this is a washroom. Oh, nice. Everything.
Hot water 24/7 or it's refrigerator? Check for the inside room first.
This is the first bedroom. This is second room. Oh, सीलिंग कितना ऊपर है? ये सेकंड फ्लोर है। Wardrobe, locker, safe lock, wardrobe. This also has an open balcony, and you have a washroom out here. So this is a master bedroom. मेरे को ये किसी घर से कम नहीं लग रहा है। खुलिया। Look at this. AC here, ceiling fan. अच्छा वाला कैंसल नहीं हुआ है। ये दो मिला है। हाँ?
Major fish.
And guys, do you know what is the cost of this room? 625 per person per night. Can you believe that? 625 rupees per person per night. So we are going to stay here for 3 nights. मैं कारवार कैंसिल कर रहा हूँ. मुझे तो यही पड़े रहना है.
कारवार क्यों वैसे जाते आएंगे?
अरे एक दिन वेस्ट हो जाएगा.
वेस्ट नहीं करता हूँ. See something new. You know?
There's AC in every room. I'm amazed by. See this bar. What I felt is when I came inside, this was a private building which was built up. नीचे undercovered parking है, street parking. हाँ?